Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple remedy that will help get rid of any kind of scars and blemishes from your skin. This remedy is most efficient for people that have dry skin. If you have a dry skin or a dull skin, this remedy is very good for you. This remedy is going to help lighten your skin tone. It's going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells. It's going to help promote the growth of the tissues of your skin. So if this is your first time stopping by, please click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell. And if you find this video interesting or useful to you, please click on the like button, share it with your friends and family and loved ones. Let's get started with the preparation of this remedy. Lemon. That's lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in calcium, is rich in potassium, is rich in magnesium, is rich in phosphorus, and is very rich in vitamin C. Lemon is going to help rejuvenate your skin. It contains ascorbic acid that is going to fight any kind of acne and dark scars because of its toning properties. Lemon is going to help moisturize your skin. It's going to help nourish and promote the growth of your tissues, and it's going to help get rid of any kind of dark scars or blemishes from your skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repairs dead skin cells. Aloe vera acts as a conditioner that smooths and soothes the skin. Aloe vera is going to help brighten and give you a very nice glow. Aloe vera is going to help rejuvenate your skin. Aloe vera is an exfoliant that restores and provides constant nutrition to the skin. Aloe vera is going to help soothe and cool your skin because of its soothing and cooling properties. It's going to help glow your skin. It's going to give you the nourishing and anti-aging properties you need to reduce the aging of your skin. Aloe vera is going to help revitalize your skin cells. Is going to relieve your cells of any kind of toxins. We take just about this quantity of the aloe vera. We just need just this quantity. This quantity is very much okay. We'll wash it and try extracting the gel from the aloe vera. Extract the gel from the aloe vera like this. Match the gel a bit. If you have a blender, you can just turn this into your blender and blend it. It's going to make it smooth and fine. Squeeze out our lemon juice. We just need about 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. Here's my tablespoon. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. And just mix it all together. Like I said earlier, this remedy is for dry skin and dull skin people. if you have a dry skin and a dull skin, this remedy is going to help get rid of all the dryness from your skin. It's going to moisturize and nourish your skin. This is our mixture and it's ready for you. Have a cotton pad, better if you just have a cotton bud like this. Just dip into it, use it to massage your whole skin, your face most especially. This mask is going to be very good for the face and every other part of your body, but most especially your face. Just massage it in gently in a circular motion. Massage, massage, massage the whole area that is dry or dull. This is going to help the aloe vera to sink into your pores and get rid of all the dirt and toxins from your skin cells, moisturizing and giving you a very nice glowing skin. You massage this into your skin for 10 minutes and allow it to sit on you until completely dried. When it's dry, you wash it off with lukewarm water. You repeat this just twice in a week. I bet you before you get to your second week, you'll be seeing the difference. You'll be seeing the obvious changes on your skin, because your skin will be more radiant, glowing, more beautiful than ever, and it's going to really make you look younger. I hope this video was somehow helpful to someone out there. If you find it interestingly useful, please share it with your friends and loved ones. Give us a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload useful and very efficient videos like this on this channel. Till my next video guys, I'll see you all very soon.